Hello children, now in today's session we are going to complete the poem 9 Gold Medals. 9 Gold Medals by David Roth. Yesterday we had completed the poem, children, line by line explanation. Yesterday we had completed, and in the poem we have come across the fact that the author is telling that there was a race which was going to be held in the Olympics, and we have already discussed that one of the participant of the race, he stumbled and he had fallen on the ground, and there were other participants who were about to complete their race, but they did not do so. Instead of completing their own event, they came back to the participant who had fallen on the ground and they helped him to reach the finishing line. In fact, all of them reached the finishing line together with each and every with other support. So this poem, children, is basically based on the spirit of sportsmanship, you can say. Sports not only teaches us to win, we do get the spirit of winning from playing sport, but it is not that we get only the spirit of winning from the sport, but there are other things, there are other emotions that we develop while playing sports, and they are the spirit of team. Sportsmanship involves the spirit of playing as a team, the spirit of helping others, the spirit of cooperation, the spirit of cooperation, the spirit of love. All these spirit we get when we start playing group sport or individual sport, because sports doesn't only teach us to win, it teaches to work hard, it teaches to compete, and at the same time complement each other. Then it teaches us how we should perform as a team, how we should live in harmony with one another, how we should be caring towards one another. And this poem is the reflection of all these feelings. In this poem, it reflects that how other participants, they cared for the participant who was not able to complete the event, and then how he was helped by other participants to reach to the finishing line, and hence they had set up an example for all of us to follow. In fact, we should also try to inculcate such spirit in us, the spirit of, you can say, sharing, cooperation, competing, complementing. Sharing, the spirit of sharing, cooperation, complementing, and competing. As we all have read in the poem, how these participants, they shared their joy with one another by helping one another. They shared their joy with one another, and they decided that it is not going to be a single winner in the event. Instead, it is going to be 9 individuals who were participating in an individual event, and all of them were declared as winner. So the spirit of sharing was there among the participants. That is why they depicted that spirit through this competition. Then cooperation means once the participant who had fallen to the ground, he was helped to get back on his feet, and then all of them walked together to the finishing line. This shows the spirit of cooperation, then complimenting. Means it was not so that all of them they helped him to get up and after that they left him and they continued with their event. It was not that. They complimented each other. They were with each other. They walked with each other, holding each other's arms till the finishing point, and in this way they complimented each other. Then competing. The beginning of the poem itself says that the 9 athletes, the beginning of the, when the description of the event is given, it is mentioned that there were 9 athletes who were going to compete. That is, who were going to, you can say, who were going to be against each other in a competition. But then, instead of competing just for the medal, they depicted these spirits. This shows that sports is not always about winning. Sports is not always about winning medals. It is also about learning some important, you can say, lessons of life. That is, we should have the spirit of sharing among us. We should have the spirit of cooperation. We should have the spirit of complementing each other, and at the same time we should, if we combine all these spirits, then we should have a spirit of humanity among us. That is the biggest lesson that we get from this poem. That is why the Olympic, that is why it is written that there was a banner above them. There was no banner above them. In fact, it was just an imaginary banner which said that it was a special Olympics. Is this much clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, children.